Jeongrila. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm your Korean instructor, Jeongrila. Jong. Did you take a vocabulary test? How was your score? I hope you got a good result you can be satisfied with. And it is okay not to be able to get a good score because you can correct your answers and remember them for long, right? So, don't worry. Then, let's slip into our new class. Shall we? If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you. Okay, first, take out the storybook and a pen together. If you don't have the book, you can purchase it by clicking the link in the comments and the description section down here. Good. Now that you get ready, let's get started. Open your book and let's move to page 9. Okay, first sentence. 이제 백성들은 어느 누구도 밤하늘을 올려다보지 못하게 되었어요. First, let's correct some words together. 밤하늘. We did that in the previous class, right? We should not allow any space between 밤 and 하늘, right? This is a one word, so 밤하늘, 밤하늘. And this word is like this. So 올려다보다. We should not allow any space between 올려다 and 보다. Okay? So you should put them together. 올려다보다, 밤하늘. Okay? I'm really sorry. 올려다보다 is to look up at, right? Okay, now let's get the meaning together. 이제 is now. 이제 is now. And 백성들은 들 is a plural form, right? Then what is 백성? Yes, this is people in the country, actually. We called people 백성 or 백성들 a long time ago, like during the Joseon dynasty, okay? So you should use 사람들 or 국민들 instead of 백성들, okay? Anyway, so 백성들, people in the country. 어느 누구도, remember the title of this book? 어느 왕의 깨달음? Yes, that 어느 is this word, 어느. 어느 is just kind of indefinite random, right? So one or a like that. And 누구 in this case also means like random person, okay? Random person. 도 is similar to even, okay? So even a random person, okay? Even a random person. However, this phrase is usually used in a negative sentence. See this, 𝗫𝗏𝗔 못하게. This is a negative word, right? So this phrase is mostly used in the negative sentence, okay? In that case, it means no one 𝗏𝗏, no one 𝗫𝗏, okay? Good. And 밤하늘 올려다보다, we did that. Then what is 𝗫𝗏𝗔 못하게 되다? First, 𝗫𝗏하게 되다 is to get to 𝗫𝗏, right? To get to 𝗫𝗏. And 못 is a negative word, so if you put 못, it is like can't 𝗫𝗏. So can't get to 𝗫𝗏. But this is a past tense, right? So couldn't get to 𝗫𝗏, couldn't get to 𝗫𝗏. So the meaning of this whole sentence is now people and no one, so just no one. Now no one in the country couldn't get to look up at the night sky. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 이런 못된 왕을 바라보던 달님은 몹시 화가 났어요. First, let's focus on the structure, simple structure. 블라블라는 화가 났어요. So 달님은 화가 났어요. First, what is 달님? Yes, 달님 is moon, the moon. However, it is like kind of we just personify the moon and we just try to use some honorific term. So if you put 님, then it is like calling somebody in a very honorable way, okay? So 님 is like honorific version of 씨. So like 이정명씨, but when you put 님, 이정명님 like that, then it shows some kind of honor, okay? Honor or respect like that, okay? So 달님. But this word 달님 is a one word, so just 달님. You should not allow any space between 달 and 님, okay? So 달님. 달님은 몹시 화가 났어요. 몹시 is very, and 화가 나다 is 화나다. So 화나다 is to be mad, to be angry. So the moon was very angry. Then what is 이런 못된 왕을 바라보던? Just think of it like adjective. So this is a kind of Yes, relative clause. Just think of it like that. So, 달림, the moon, which 이런 못된 왕을 바라보던 이런 is this or this sort of 못된 is mean, so very bad. 왕 is king and 바라보다 is to look at or to stare. So, the moon which stared or looked at this mean king was very angry. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 달림은 즉시 까치를 불렀어요. So, 달림은 불렀어요. 달림, the moon, right? The moon. 즉시 is immediately, right away. 즉시 is right away. 까치를 불렀어요. 까치 is a magpie. 부르다, call, to call. So, the meaning of this whole sentence is the moon called the magpie right away. 그리고 and 이렇게 말했어요. 말하다 to say, so said. And he said 이렇게 is like this. So he said like this. You can understand me, right? Good. Turn a page. Okay, first sentence. 동그라미 왕국의 왕이 너무나 나쁘구나. Okay, first, 동그라미 왕국의 왕. So this line is from the moon, right? Anyway, the moon said, 동그라미 왕국의 왕. 동그라미 왕국, 동그라미 kingdom, right? 왕, the king. So the king of the 동그라미 kingdom. 너무나 나쁘구나. 너무나 is 너무. So 너무 is so. And 나쁘구나. 구나 is also an ending form instead of 이다, 다 like that, okay? And this ending form is used when you get to know a new information with some exclamation. So, wow, this is blah blah like that, okay? So, the meaning of this whole sentence is the king of the 동그라미 kingdom it's so bad. Okay? Yeah, so 동그라미 왕국의 왕이 너무나 나쁘구나. 네가 가서 혼내주고 오너라. Okay, first, 네가. Actually, 너 plus 가. In this case, we should change the spell. 네. However, the pronunciation is like 네. Okay? So 네가 가서. 가서 is go and then. Go and. Okay? 네가 가서 혼내주고 오너라. First, 혼내주고. 혼내주다 is to scold someone instead of someone. Okay? So in this case, scold the king instead of the moon, right? So the moon wants to teach him a lesson, right? However, the moon just gave an order to the magpie. Then magpie has to go there and he has to scold the king instead of the moon. You can understand me, right? So 혼내주고. So 혼내주다, scold, and 오너라 is come. You can understand me, right? So the meaning of this whole sentence is go there and teach him a lesson and come back. That is, 네가 가서 혼내주고 오너라. Blah blah 너라 is like blah blah 거라. So this is really old style of imperative sentences. Okay? So 오너라. Good. And the next sentence. 그는 즉시 동그라미 왕국으로 날아갔어요. 그는 he 즉시 right away, right? Right away, immediately 동그라미 왕국으로. So toward the kingdom of 동그라미. So toward the 동그라미 kingdom. 날아갔어요. 날아가다. Just think of it like fly toward, fly to somewhere, okay? So, the meaning of this whole sentence is he flew toward the 동그라미 kingdom right away. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 까치는, the magpie, 까치는 동그라미 왕국의 상황을 관찰했어요. So, 까치, the magpie. 관찰했어요. 관찰하다 is to observe. So, 관찰했다, observed. What? 동그라미 왕국의 상황을. So, 동그라미 왕국, the 동그라미 kingdom. And what is 상황? 상황 is situation. So, the meaning of this whole sentence is the magpie observed the situation in the 동그라미 kingdom. or of the 동그라미 kingdom because of 의, right? So, 까치는 동그라미 왕국의 상황을 관찰했어요. Very good. And the last sentence, 밤이 되자 모든 사람들이 땅만 바라봤어요. Okay. First, 밤이 되자. We just covered it in the previous class, right? So 밤이 되자 is when it gets night, when it got night, when it became the night. 모든 사람들이, all the people, right? All the people 바라봤어요. Looked at. What? 땅만. man is only. So only the grounds. The meaning of this whole sentence is when it became night, all the people looked at only the ground. You can understand me, right? Good. From now on, repeat after me together from the beginning to the end. Okay? Let's go. 이제 백성들은 어느 누구도 밤하늘을 올려다보지 못하게 되었어요. 이런 못된 왕을 바라보던 달님은 몹시 화가 났어요. 달님은 즉시 까치를 불렀어요. 그리고 이렇게 말했어요. 동그라미 왕국의 왕이 너무나 나쁘구나. 네가 가서 혼내주고 오너라. 그는 즉시 동그라미 왕국으로 날아갔어요. 까치는 동그라미 왕국의 상황을 관찰했어요. 밤이 되자 모든 사람들이 땅만 바라봤어요. Well done! How was your class today? Our 𝗏𝗡 can give us some satisfaction later in the story. I hope we can find it together in future classes. Well, after this, you should review what we learned today right away so that you can catch the meaning and vocabulary. The test is going to be on Thursday as usual, so keep reviewing it, okay? Good. Then, enjoy your day and see you next time. Bye-bye!